Commodity market. Commodity markets are considered the backbone of the global economy. Generally, these markets are divided into minerals, energy, and crops. Within the mineral category, you've got popularly traded metals with gold in the first place, followed by silver and copper. The famous yellow metal is used as an investment asset and as a key material in the jewelry industry. Oil is the most prominent energy commodity with its various crudes, the most recognized of which are Brent crude and West Texas crude. Aside from oil, natural gas and heating fuels are also main energy commodities. The crops sector includes wheat, corn, coffee, cotton, sugar, and lots of other goods in this category that we consume on a daily basis. In fact, more than 200 different agricultural commodities are traded in the commodity market. Commodity market transactions take place between producers, traders, and speculators. It's one of the markets that's often defined by large fluctuations because of discrepancies between supply and demand.